Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and we will create this radio device concept. It's a beginner friendly tutorial. The reference link is in the description. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. And let's get started. Control N for creating a new project. Delete the cube by pressing X. We're using a corner rectangle tool and working from the front view. Press C to center it, press Tab 3, Tab again and 3, Enter to confirm, press B to make rounded corners. OK, go to face mode or press 3, we're extruding our cube. Something like that. Yes, perfect. Let's hide our rectangle. Perfect. Go to edge mode or press 2. Select our edges and give nice chamfers. Yes, beautiful. Select edges again and give nice fillets from both sides. In the front view, select a corner rectangle. Press C to center it. Make it this size. Place it here. We are moving by pressing JJ. Press B to make rounded corners. In edge mode, select our rectangle and press Shift I, click our mesh, OK to confirm, hide our rectangle, perfect. In face mode, extrude like that and drag in this white circle, adjust the angle, OK to confirm, beautiful. Let's see what we got. Maybe adjust the size, but I think it's okay. In the edge mode, hold Alt and click one of our edges, Shift D to duplicate it. OK to confirm. Press C to cut. Click our mesh, OK to confirm. Let's hide our curve. In solid mode, select our new cube, isolate it by pressing dot, Shift A to create a line here, press C, click our mesh, OK to confirm, delete our line, press dot to return to the main project, select our cube in the main body by holding Shift, press Q and Q again. It turned blue, press OK to confirm, we made our solids like one. In the edge mode, select our edges and give nice fillets. Beautiful. And I love the result. Let's create a screen. In edge mode, hold Alt and click one of the edges, Shift D to duplicate it. Let's make it smaller, press C to cut, click the mesh, OK to confirm, hide our curve, select both our edges and give nice fillets too. Nice, you can rename it if you want. We have separate parts to assign different materials when we're gonna texture them. Perfect. Okay, let's create a back panel. Go to the back view by pressing Ctrl 1 on the numpad. In edge mode, select our edges, Shift D to duplicate. Let's make it smaller. Go to face mode and extrude it like that. Okay. In edge mode, give nice fillets. Perfect. Go back to the front view, create a line, and place somewhere here. Press C, click the mesh, and OK to confirm. Delete the line. Let's give a nice fillet. In edge mode, OK. Something like that. Let's see what we got. And guys, absolutely beautiful. Now let's create a button. We need a center circle. Okay, center circle. Resize it, move it here. Okay, Shift D to duplicate it, move another one here by pressing J. We're creating lines. Make sure they're tangent. This one here and another one here. Okay, yeah, let's try again. Yeah, Shift A. Here, yes, tangent. Trim unnecessary parts by pressing T. OK to confirm. Select our curves, press J to join them. Shift I to imprint. Click the mesh. OK to confirm. Hide our circle. Let's group them by pressing Ctrl J, Ctrl G. Rename this group as you like and hide it. In face mode, extrude this button. Go to the edge mode and give a chamfer. Select both edges and give fillets. Holding Alt and clicking the edge, select our inner part, Shift D to duplicate it. In face mode, extrude it like this. In edge mode, give a nice fillet. In face mode, place our button here. Let's see what we got. Maybe let's make it a little bit bigger. Beautiful. In the front view, create a line and place it somewhere here. In the edge mode, select our line, press C, click our button, OK to confirm. Let's move our curves to curves group. Yeah. Or delete them. Select our edges and give fillets. Something like that, yes. Select both. OK. Now let's create some special signs on the button. We need a rectangle. Press C to center it. Place it here. Move it down a little bit. Press B to make rounded corners. Go to face mode and extrude it. Hide our rectangle. Go to edge mode and give nice fillets. Beautiful. Now we need a circle. Make it this size. Press O to offset it. Create a line and snap it to the middle. Use a radial array tool to place our line. We need 8. Press OK to confirm. And we need to remove unnecessary parts. We're doing it by pressing T and clicking. Just remove these parts one by one, here and here and here. OK to confirm. Select our circle, snap it here. Make it this size. Trim these parts. Select our circles, press J to join them. Maybe move it here. And in face mode, extrude it like that. Nice. Hide our circle. In edge mode, give a nice fillet. Select here and here. Give nice fillet. OK to confirm. I love the result. Let's see what we got so far. We may assign different materials because we made our parts separately, and it's awesome. Let's get back to the front view. We're creating our line somewhere here. Okay, we're using the rectangular array tool. Let's create 35 lines and place them here. Yes, snap it to this line probably. Create one more line. Snap it here. And again, we're moving by y-axis, holding control and snap it this line to the other lines. We've done something wrong. Okay, probably let's redo it. Hold control. Okay. Create one more line, snap it here, and okay. Holding control, snapping this line to the other lines. We've done something wrong, let's redo it. Hold control, perfect. Our rectangles turned blue. We need to remove these parts here, here, and here. We are creating one more line, snap it here and here. Let's remove the bottom parts by pressing T. Okay. Perfect. Select our lines and group them by pressing Ctrl J. And rename the group as you like, lines or something like that. Select our lines and move them along the y-axis. Perfect. In face mode, select our rectangles one by one, like yes. And we're going to extrude them along the y-axis. Okay, one by one, here, 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 here. Perfect. Okay, extrude them, holding control, snap to this line, press OK to confirm. Hide our lines, and in solid mode, yes, in solid mode, click our mesh, then holding shift, select our rectangles one by one. Press Q, OK to confirm, perfect. We got our rectangle subtracted from the main mesh. Yes, in edge mode we need to find this curve. Okay, this curve. Pull out right here, hide our lines. Select this line, use a rectangular array, place somewhere here. We need to create, okay, yeah, remove unnecessary parts or lines. We need to create Y line here. Move it by the y-axis and snap to lines by holding control. Let's create one more line here. Yes, move it and snap it by holding control, and we need to remove unnecessary parts by pressing T. Perfect. Yeah, press T and remove unnecessary parts. Here and here. Press OK to confirm. Okay. Let's group our lines by pressing Ctrl J. Rename and hide them. Perfect. In solid, yes, in face mode, select our rectangles and extrude them holding Ctrl. Snap to this line, press OK to confirm. Let's group our lines by pressing Ctrl J, rename and hide them. Perfect. We don't need them. In solid mode, click our mesh, then holding Shift, select rectangles one by one, press Q to subtract, OK to confirm. And we got this pattern, beautiful. In edge mode, select the edges and give nice fillets to make it look beautiful. Yes, select one by one and give nice fillets. Yes, here. And here again. Maybe not here, okay. And these lines, these edges. Perfect, just amazing. Let's check what we got. Beautiful. Now we're gonna create a text logo. Beautiful. Yes, I love the result too. Press F and type text. Type something you like. I type radius. I selected a BioRhyme font. Resize it to 0.16. Press OK to confirm. Let's move right here by pressing JJ. Perfect. Let's group our letters by pressing Ctrl J. You may rename the group. Text, curves, or something like that. We still need them. In face mode, select one by one. Select the letters one by one and extrude them. OK to confirm. Hide our curves. Perfect. And let's group our letters. Rename them. Perfect. In edge mode, select our edges and give nice fillets. We're selecting one by one, and we're doing it to make our text visually more appealing. D, here, I. Perfect, S. Let's check the result. And guys, I love the result. Beautiful. Perfect. Go to the right view, select circle, snap it to the middle, something like that. Move it up. We may resize it. Let's make it smaller. Okay. Press O to offset somewhere here. In face mode, let's extrude it, and holding this white gizmo, let's give this kind of shape. Press OK to confirm. Go to the edge mode and give nice fillets. Perfect. In face mode, select our circle and extrude it like that. Something like that. Yes. In edge mode, give a chamfer. Give a chamfer here. And here, give a fillet. Now we're gonna cut it. Create a line. Snap it here. Make it bigger by pressing SS. Select our line, press C, and click our mesh. OK to confirm. Delete our line. Let's hide our circles or delete them. In solid mode, select our cylinder, press dot to isolate it, go to top view, we need to create a line and make sure to snap it to the middle on top of our mesh. So here, perfect. In control point mode, select this point and move it along the y-axis. Somewhere here. Okay, go to the left view, select our point and move it down by holding control to snap to this edge. Perfect. Control Z to turn on X-ray mode. Select our line, Shift S to subdivide it, select our point in the middle and move it up, somewhere here. Perfect. Okay, go to the top view, press P to make a pipe, make it 0.02 size. Yes, OK to confirm. Delete this line. In face mode, let's make our pipe bigger. Extrude it like that from both sides. Perfect. Go to the right view. In solid mode, select our pipe. We're gonna use radial array tool. And we need 25 of them. 25, snap to the middle, press OK to confirm. What we're gonna do, in front view, Shift D to duplicate our pipes. Move on the x-axis here and we're gonna mirror them. Press Alt X, then press Alt X and then press F, snap it here and drag your mouse up. Click. Select these pipes and delete them. Select these and move them back. Snap to the middle, press OK. Perfect. In solid mode, select our cylinder. Go to the front view, holding Shift, select our pipes and dragging the mouse from right to the left, press Q. Wait a little bit, OK to confirm. And guys, we got this beautiful grip pattern on our cylinder. It looks like that. You may give fillets if you want. This is up to you. Let's press dot to return to our main project and we got something like this. And I like the result. And we are almost done, guys. Yes, perfect. Go to the back view, select a circle, make it this size. Press O to offset it. Perfect. Select both circles and move here. Move here. In face mode, let's extrude somewhere here. Make sure X-ray is turned on so you can see how deep you need to extrude. Let's hide our circles. Turn off X-ray mode by pressing Alt Z. In solid mode, select our panel. Holding Shift, click our circle, press Q, press OK to confirm. And we got something like this. In edge mode, select our edges and give nice fillets. Here, one here and here. Perfect. Okay, let's make some more details. We're using circle again. Place it here. Move it, maybe resize it. Press O to offset. Okay, something like that. Go to face mode and extrude it. Hide our circles or delete them. In edge mode, give nice fillets here and here. Beautiful. Yes, go back to the back view and in solid mode press Alt X to mirror it. Click the gizmo, OK to confirm, then again select our circles in solid mode, Alt X, click the gizmo and OK to confirm. And we are done, guys. Let's see what we got. And it's beautiful. It's not a TV, I call it a radio device. Now you can export to render in Blender or Cinema 4D for texture and rendering and lighting. I created a screen texture in Photoshop, by the way. Please click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, guys. Let me know in the comments section. See you guys in the next video.